Hi everyone, I wanted to go ahead and share a quick video on how to add a hanging indent in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. The first thing is make sure you have your citation on the page. It's a little easier to do it when you've already written it out. And so this is all double spaced and left aligned. Everything looks good to me, but I know I need to add that hanging indent. So I'm going to highlight the whole thing, right? And then, now I have a couple of options here. I know what I'm supposed to do, but here's what I would recommend. If you don't know how to find how to put a hanging indent in here, I would go up here to where it says, tell me what you want to do. Click on this and write indent. Okay, and so this is probably going to help. You want to go then into paragraph settings, and that's going to help you get to where you need to go. All right. The other way that you can get there is to click on this little drop down arrow in the bottom right corner where it says paragraph at the top. I know there's different variations of Word, and so this isn't going to work for everybody, but hopefully this is helpful. Click on this, and then there's going to be a pop-up box. What you want to do then is go into this middle section. And I know Word is like not necessarily super user friendly here, but just try to look for indentation. Here's the keyword. And then right here it says special. Click on this drop down arrow, and then you're going to click on hanging, right? Hanging indent. Click on that. It's going to automatically go to 0.5. If it doesn't, you have to type in 0.5, 0.5 inches, which is the same as a tab if you push tab on the computer, like when you're indenting a paragraph, okay? And then just click OK. And then it is going to have that formatted as a hanging indent. Remember, hanging indent means that the first line is all the way to the left, and then this line is indented, right? Now, if I was going to do this kind of the unofficial way, which I don't necessarily recommend because it can be a huge pain if you have to like copy any text over or you realize you forgot something in the citation and you have to add it. But the other thing that you can do here is you can also just hit tab. Now, if you hit tab, right, if I'm going to do it right now and you're going to see what'll happen, it's probably going to knock all of the text over. That's what it did. Okay. So I'm not going to do that first. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to hit enter. That's going to break, oh, you can't see, but that's going to break the relationship between this line and the line before it. So now it's telling the, basically the code that the software is using. These are two separate lines. And then that means that I'm going to be able to hit tab on this and it's not going to knock both lines over to the right. Okay, so I hit tab. There you go. So hanging indent, two different ways to get there. I guess three different ways if you also include that you can click up here to tell me what to do. All right, I hope this was helpful and yeah, good luck with your papers.